Top 5 Best Magnetic Welding Holder in 2024. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best magnetic welding holder? If you received a new magnetic welding holder, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best magnetic welding holders on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The double-switch neodymium welding magnets, model WM2-90S by LISHUAI, are a powerful tool for industrial applications. Made from rare earth neodymium magnets, they provide a 50 kgf pull-off force, ensuring stable positioning. With dual-switch functionality, it offers easy on-off control and a 90 degrees angle for precise work. This compact magnet holder weighs 1.2 kilograms and measures 14,814,838 millimeters, making it a reliable solution for secure clamping in various environments. Number 2. The 1PCS 25-pound square strong magnetic welding positioner is a versatile tool for secure and precise metalwork. With a 25 pounds pull strength, it provides reliable magnetic suction, allowing hands-free welding. This multi-angle holder supports various angles and is CE certified for professional use. Its compact design makes it easy to position and adjust during work, making it an ideal addition to any workshop for improved efficiency and precision in welding jobs. Number 3. This versatile tool, originating from mainland China, is designed for industrial or home use. Its sleek, solid design with no holes ensures durability and reliability. Despite not having specific certifications, its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for personal or professional tasks, it's a practical and easy-to-use tool suitable for diverse environments, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Number 4. The ALLSOME on-off magnetic welding ground clamp is a versatile tool for welding applications, featuring a rare earth neodymium magnet for a strong hold. Available in 200A, 300A, and 600A models, it offers convenience and safety. Originating from mainland China, it is durable and ideal for professional welders seeking efficiency and control. Despite lacking specific certifications, it offers versatile options for different welding tasks. Number 5. The 12.5/25/50/75 kg magnetic welding holders are versatile angle positioners for precise welding tasks. They offer strong ferrite magnetic holding power, making them ideal for hands-free positioning. Available in various models, they cater to different weight capacities and feature auxiliary locator tools. CE certified and originating from mainland China, they ensure durability and reliability for professional use.